Welcome to the FVLC Camp in a Box tutorial. I'm Samantha, Miss Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own healthy soil. What we have today is a little ball of clay. Mine's a little redder than what you might have. We will be using compost and also some sand. You'll first want to start with your sand in a pile and the clay. And you just roll the clay into the sand, pinching and rolling with your fingers until eventually everything looks the same. This is going to take you the longest part of the whole experiment, but you just keep working it. The very last step you need to mix your soil is to add the nutrients, because if you planted a plant in just the clay and in just the clay and sand, nothing will grow because there's no nutrients here. So you're going to take your compost that's in the box and add that right to it and just mix it with your fingers. And once this is mixed up, you can use this in your pizza garden, you can use it in the kaleidoscope garden or the terracotta pot. Any of those seeds will grow in what you just mixed up. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other links to videos we have for tutorials for this box.